Welcome to Total Dairy, a comprehensive dairy programme designed to aid both operational and management aspects of your herd. This programme can be pre-populated with your herd details by Summit via a link from BCMS, as well as data from your milk recording organisation and various parlours. You can also keep your beef animals on this programme too, either by setting them up in separate groups or by creating a new enterprise within the programme. We suggest you take a look at Starter Cattle prior to viewing this video, which will take you through the basic functionality of the software. Users can upgrade from Starter Cattle to either Standard Cattle or Total Dairy at any time. The Total Options screen is very similar to that displayed in Starter Cattle. However, you will notice that you have additional graphs presented on the right-hand side of the screen, together with key fertility action lists on the Notes and Reminders grid. Let's take a look at our list of animals in Total Dairy. As with Starter Cattle, we can use a selection criteria at the top to produce a specific list, and then click on any column heading to reorder the report. Selecting Print Preview will send the list to your printer. Entering a UK ear tag or freeze brand number here will immediately call up the complete cow record. The initial home screen lists events, actions, and observations according to her lactation. Tabs to the right, such as calving, which shows the calving history of this cow, genealogy, and recordings, show a greater level of detail. So how do you keep your animal records up to date? In Total Dairy, we have the option of adding data to the home page of the individual cow record. Let's take the example of noting that the cow has mastitis. We click on the Add New Record line and then select the observation by scrolling through the drop-down list here. Once the data boxes are complete, the programme will prompt for the treatment, defaulting to the last treatment that was used on the previous recording of mastitis. Note that the cow record has now been updated with the quarantine dates relating to the treatment. The concept behind the development of all Total programmes is for data to be entered just once and then shared internally within the Summit Total range of software, as well as externally with organisations such as NMR, QMMS, CIS, Holstein UK, a range of parlours, weighers and feeders. This takes place through the external interface option here and avoids the mundane task of duplicating data entry. Our extensive range of reports in Total Dairy are separated into a number of folders such as Dairy, Fertility, Health and Movements. You can have your own list of favourites in this section too. Click on the Dairy folder to review the current key performance indicators from the Herd Summary Statistics report. The Fertility folder includes a number of action list reports, which you can also access from the initial Notes and Reminders screen. Note that you can change the default criteria before compiling the reports, here and here. Another essential report is the Vet's Action List. This can be printed or emailed to your vet prior to a herd health visit, from here. Of course, keeping your cow records up to date for fertility and health will enable you to monitor and analyse data for the complete herd. For example, the Service Performance Report will help you to analyse bull statistics across your whole herd. Similarly, if we go to the health reports and select the herd health analysis for mastitis, we can see the number of incidences of mastitis in the herd, together with a chronological analysis and comparisons with previous data. This video has provided a brief overview of Total Dairy functionality. To discuss your own herd recording requirements, please give us a call on 01844 213 003.